Hi guys, this is Maryam from Crochet Channel, and today we want to learn how to crochet this beautiful pattern. To begin, grab your yarn and make a knot and start chaining. Your chains should be a multiple of 12. I made 24 chains to demonstrate. Any number that you have, 12, 24, 36 or whatever, at the end of the row, at the end of your chains, add 8 more chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into the next one. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 3 double crochets into that 6th one. 1, 2, 3. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 1 single crochet into the 6th one, and repeat this process. Chain 5, skip the next 5 chains, make 3 double crochets into the 6th one. Chain 5, skip the next 5 chains, make 1 single crochet into the 6th one. At the end of the row, when you chain 5, skip the next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 2 double crochets into the last chain. 1 and 2. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 1. Row 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn your project. Skip the first stitch because these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Make 3 double crochets into the second one. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 1 double crochet into the next single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We reach the group of 3 double crochets. Make 3 double crochets in first one, 1 double crochet in second one, and 3 double crochets into the third one. So 3 in the first one, 1, 2, 3, 1 into the second one, and 3 into the third one. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and repeat the process. Make 1 double crochet into the next single crochet, chain 3, make 3 double crochets into the first double crochet, 1 double crochet into the second one, and 3 double crochets into the third one. At the end of the row, when you chain 3, make 1 double crochet into the last single crochet as I told you. And this is the end of row 2. Row 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Add 1 more chain. Now turn your project. We reached the group of 7 double crochets. Into the first and last one, make 3 double crochets, and into the stitches in between, make 1 double crochet. So make 3 double crochets into the first one, 1, 2, 3, make 1 double crochets into the next stitches except the last one. 1 to this one, into each one. And make 3 double crochets into the last double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, skip the next double crochet and repeat the process into the next 7 double crochets group. 3 in first and last, and 1 into the stitches in between. At the end of the row, when you chained 1, we reach the group of 4 double crochets. Make 3 double crochets into the first one. 1, 2, 3, and 1 into each of the next 3 stitches. 1 to this one, 1 into the next one, and 1 into the last one. Our last double crochet is those 3 chains that we had at the beginning of row 2. Make it in that 3rd chain. And this is our project at the end of row 3. Row 4, chain 1 and turn your project. Make 1 single crochet into the very first stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 3 double crochets into this chain 1 space between the group of our double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reached the group of 11 double crochets. Skip the first 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 1 single crochet into the 6th one. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 3 double crochets into this chain 1 space between the groups. Chain 5 and skip the first 5 stitches and make 1 single crochet into the 6th one. At the end of the row, chain 5 and make 2 double crochets into the last chain space. Our last chain space was those 3 chains that counted as our first double crochet plus 1 chain into this chain 1 space. 1 and 2. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 4. And from here we repeat row 2, 3, and 4. Row 5 is the same as row 2. Row 6 is the same as row 3. Row 7 is the same as row 4. Row 8 is the same as row 2, and repeat the process until you get the desired length. And this is the final result. Hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Write your comments down below. Turn on that post notifications. Share it to your friends and support me. See you in next videos. Bye.